Good morning, students. We want to go once again for Dr. Faustus, which is written by Christopher Marlowe. Dr. Faustus was the story of a man who got highly educated, and he received lots of degrees, and he was the man of letters. Dr. Faustus, his name. And he did not satisfy his education. He would like to know the solar system, the universe, who created, and how the control of the universe and these things. One day he was talking to his friends and whom he made a request, could you please teach me black magic? And they started teaching black magic, and this guy, actually he was expert in law, and he was highly educated, and he knew many things. That was the right knowledge on this world. The story of Dr. Faustus is the story of many people in the society. In any nation, our learning should be a proper one. Our study should be a proper one. If our learning and our study is not the proper one, we enter wrong direction. That wrong direction will spoil our lives. I tell you, the story explores Dr. Faustus started learning black magic. Black magic, head of the department, who is the head of black magic? Lucifer. Lucifer, one of the assistant Mephistopheles, to whom Dr. Faustus started conversation. And Mephistopheles told, there is an agreement. For 24 or 25 years, we are going to teach you black magic, and you see and you do wonders in the universe. But you have to write in agreement your soul to us, and we will have full rights about your soul, regarding your soul. Do you agree? Dr. Faustus, without proper thinking, he said yes. And they took the signature of the bond, and Mephistopheles went to Lucifer and told everything to Lucifer. Lucifer became happy, so Lucifer gave some powers to Mephistopheles. Mephistopheles gave some of the powers to Dr. Faustus time to time. So Dr. Faustus doing all amazing and miraculous things. If he wants to be in some of the nation, he will fly and he will go. Supernatural things he is exercising and practicing. That was okay. But finally, Dr. Faustus came to know the misery and the tragedy he was struck into. And he started, meanwhile here in the story, devils and angels, both are there. Angels from the beginning telling to Dr. Faustus not to interfere this kind of learning. Black magic is not yours, it is out of your business. Some of the demon spirits are practicing, whom God hated. All these demon spirits in the world and in the universe, they control some of the things. God is going to judge finally. This is not your business, Dr. Faustus. Please listen to God, obey to God. These were the teachings of angels, good angels. But Dr. Faustus never cared about these things. Devil, Mephistopheles, and their subordinates started teaching black magic is good. You control all the people. We want to destroy. You become sloth. You do sin, and you have to practice sinful life. And you have to take the greed. Greed is the source of all evils. And sluggishness, sluggards. Sluggish also one of the sin. And see, when you listen to devil, when you enter black magic, when you put your interest in black magic, your life will be spoiled. The same thing happened in Dr. Faustus. Dr. Faustus finally started repenting, and he started shouting, crying, and he was in tears. Finally, good angels, whom Dr. Faustus started talking, please save me. But good angels told, time was no more, completed. Too late, you are too late. You did not repent when we told you. You did not obey when we told you. You did not realize when we instructed you. Now was the time, you have to go to hell. And Lucifer made an order, and Mephistopheles and some of the devils came, and they took the soul of the Dr. Faustus and thrown into hell. This was the story. Don't practice black magic. 7 kinds of sins which explained in the story. Covetousness, and greed, and having too much conspiracies on the people. You want to spoil somebody. This is also one of the sin. And you want to take scheme. You want to make scheme on the people. And jealous, one of the sin. Greed, one of the sin. And without work, you sit in our house. That is also sin. Sluggishness. So 7 kinds of sins. Disobedience, one of the that is the first sin as a human being in this world. You never disobey to God. You should obey to God. This is the final teaching of the Dr. Faustus. Universe is out of our knowledge. Who created universe? That is your faith. Based on your faith, you believe. Your faith, whatever the faith it may be, but who created this universe? I want to see all the powers. I want to control all the demons. This is something you go beyond your knowledge. That is not your business. Black magic, those people who practice, their life get destructed. Thank you. Nice of you.